Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Xbox profile tied to your Microsoft Rewards account. This links activity immediately. Once signed in, make sure to enable Edge Sync and mobile notifications so daily check-ins register. Now take 2 quick actions. Complete the daily streak or a punch card task and finish a short quiz. These first steps accumulate points quickly and trigger bonus timers. Keep a steady rhythm. Think of this as priming the system for larger, repeatable gains. You should now focus on higher-yield tasks that stack. Start or stream a cloud gaming session and let it run while you complete quests. This registers active play and often counts toward time-based goals. Next, target Game Pass challenges and 30-minute play requirements because they frequently award 50-300 points. While doing that, alternate between quests and quick browser searches on Edge with the rewards extension. This diversifies credit sources and keeps your daily cap. To finish, redeem accumulated points promptly for gift cards or sweepstakes and confirm the redemption appears in your history. Once done, review the rewards dashboard daily and reconcile any missing credits within the 14-day window. Delays reduce recovery options. If tasks don't register, clear your Xbox and Edge cache, sign out and back in, and re-enable sync. These steps often force a resync. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with screenshots. That troubleshooting tip will usually restore missing points quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.